Back with another video. Here we have the American Express Blue Business Cash Credit Card. Alrighty, so let's get straight into it. We'll put this card right there. So I got approved for a $2,000 limit. This is a 2% cash back card, and I got this card with no inquiry, no hard inquiry on my personal credit. So how I was able to get this card with no hard inquiry is once you establish a relationship with American Express. I have a personal American Express card. Them have the everyday cash, everyday credit card. It's the clear one, but I have that card. So once you get a card established with American Express, any future cards you can get with no hard inquiry. So it'll be all soft pulls on your credit. Now I'm not sure how long you have to wait from the first card you get to get the rest of them with a soft pull. But I had my personal credit card for a few years, and I just created my business, doing the business credit and everything, and I was able to get approved. It was an instant approval of $2,000, and I believe that is the minimum limit that card starts off with. So that's still cool because it's building your business credit, building your relationships with financial institutions. So honestly, I chose this card because I just like the color of it, but I should have chose the clear one, which is 2 points back. And I actually prefer the point system over cash back, but I do like this card. It is on a 0% intro APR intro period thing. So I believe it's 12 months, 0% interest that I can carry a balance. So I don't pay no interest. I'm able to borrow this $2,000 to invest in my business, invest in other things, and pay the money back. So that's the coolest thing about getting credit cards. You have that 0% interest intro where you're able to borrow money, pay it back. You pay nothing extra to after the 12 months. Once the 12 months go by, now you're going to be paying interest when you carry a balance. So that's it for this card. I do have another American Express card, which is the Plum card, which I got approved after this one, like a few months later. And that's a charge card, so I will be doing a video on that one. But yeah, this is just a revolving card, 2% cash back, no hard inquiry. Now, if you don't have no relationship with American Express, you have to apply for it, and it will be a hard inquiry on your personal. So once you move into, so before I did the review on Sam's Club, Divvy, and Wells Fargo. So with Wells Fargo, that's going to be a personal hit. But Divvy and the Sam's Club Business MasterCard, those go strictly off business credit. But once you start moving into the American Expresses, the Citi, the U.S. bank cards, any like big bank credit cards is going to require a personal guarantor. There's not really many credit cards out there where you can get your credit card based off relationship or strictly business credit. So once you move into real credit cards, it's always going to be a personal guarantor. Now, I have heard that some people are able to do the application for cards like this, and then they'll mail it in with no social security number on there and try to get the card approved off their business credit. So that is something that you can try. I have not tried it myself. Not sure if I plan on trying it like that. I personally just think using business credit in your personal credit, just go ahead and use it. I mean, what's the point of having good credit if you're not going to use it? But it may be something I may try to just mail it in and see if they'll approve it without a hard inquiry. And another thing I want to mention with the business credit is whether there's no hard inquiry or an inquiry, you are still a personal guarantor, because if anything happens with this card, you default or anything like that, it may report to your personal credit, and it all just depends on the creditor. So there may be no personal guarantor up front with the hard inquiry, but in the event that you default, you will pay for it. So that's it for this card. 2% cash back, American Express. Build your relationship with these financial institutions. American Express is very great. I want to move into more of their charge cards, and I like all the benefits of everything like that. So American Express, pretty cool. Here's this card, and just like any other card, I got approved for $2,000. So I'll probably wait 6 months, 12 months, or let a little bit of time go by before I request a credit limit increase, or I will let the credit limit increase come naturally. So that's it for this video. If you have any questions about it, just drop it down in the comments and I will answer. So I'll see you on the next video.